What is up, guys? This is Joe Mega, and today I'm bringing another video about simply on how you can make your Arma 2 Operation Arrowhead or your Arma 2 faster. So basically, you want to go into your documents. You just press Start. If you have Windows 7, you just press Documents. And I believe Windows XP or whatever has it as well. I'm not sure, but as long as you get to your documents. But I'm going to go through here just to show you. If you're on your computer, you can go straight to Documents right here. Alright, now that you guys see all of this, you want to go into this. Alright. So you see these, well, mostly these. You only need to worry about these for now. Well, not really that one if you have the Combined Operations bot. I just had that one because I had that before I got these two, which was quite a while ago. Let's start with that Arma 2 regular. Alright, so if you see all of these stuff here, you need to understand that this will not give you the best the best looking game. This is mostly for lower end computers to run Arma 2 at least 10 frames or more faster. Now, my computer has problems with Arma 2 for some reason. It's the only game that I have problems with, and it's quite weird. Alright, so this is what you want to do. You want to have this one. I know people say 1-to-1, but the stuff that I'm showing you, you want this instead. As you can see, I have my settings to this because I really don't need to have prettiness in Arma 2. It's more or less of a serious game, so I don't need like Battlefield graphics or anything like that. HD performance, I think that's 1500. That should be 80,000. If you guys copy all that, I don't use post effects unless you got the no effects, whatever. You can use that and it will fix it, so it's not laggy. So you have no blur, and I play on Dead Zone, which I will talk about in a second here. Basically, it's the same thing. But there's a couple other settings that you need to fix up, like the where is it? Actually, might not be in here, but it's in another thing. For now, I'll show you that in a second as well. Alright, now it's basically the same thing, just a couple more settings which you don't really touch. As long as you see what I have here, go ahead and use that. Alright, so this is your default. This is your default user profile. I believe it might change it all, but it might not. But I'll show you how to change the other ones. Alright, so this is when a lot of the things get complicated. Now, you get rid of these, put these 0, put that to 2, I think that's already 2 actually. Turn your field of view, top and left, change it to these values. And your scene complexity, make sure that's that quality there, or not quality, but that setting there. And the shadow quality, I don't use shadows, and there's a reason why. I just put that to 0. Shadows, in my opinion, don't lag you a lot if you use them. They do lag you a lot, and you want to make sure everything is the same. I'm just gonna keep it like this. Make sure you guys get it all, and I think you guys got it all. You can pause the video. You go back, go to Arma 2 other profiles, and here's a bunch of profiles that I have here. I'll go into my main one that I've been using lately for Dead Zone, and like I said, I'll say that in a second. I'll say it at the end. Alright, so basically here you got this and this to change again. It's the exact same as the thing that we were just at, your default player profile settings. So what you do is do exactly that, and you put it here. It's basically a copy, just individual player profiles, so you can have different settings in each one. And that is basically it for this, somewhat. I'm going to show you guys something else as well. If you're wondering why it says Jimbo, it's because I had to get an unbought copy because mine on Steam kept on crashing on the Daisy RP and Daisy Zone server, so I had to get this instead. As you can see, I have a lot of mods, and it's because I play a lot of this. Alright, so what you want to do is buy these two. Alright, not buy, I mean download. And put them right into the directory. As well as, no, you don't need that one because that doesn't work with a lot of servers. You only need no blur B and A. Alright, so you take those, put them in there. you'll download them. What happens, they'll be in a .rar file. And basically, you just throw the files in here. SweetFX is for Dead Zone as well. Alright, so you take these two, after you did all those settings I showed you, and you go to your, let me go to my file here, where is it? Gaming. Just my bunch of my shortcuts for my games. Alright. Now we go to properties. Now, I'm using 2 because it's quad core and I'm using half of it. But if you have a dual core, use all of them. Use all your cores because one core is not going to run this game very well. It's recommended to use. I recommend to use all of them. It's a great idea too. Alright, so now after you get. Where is it? Okay. After you get the actual, like, files installed that I showed you, you usually go B, which B is no shaders, not shaders, but no post After Effects and special effects that will dramatically increase your frame rate, but I'm not using that right now. A is basically half of that. It only does half of the job and it doesn't do as well and won't give you as much frame rate. Now you can do that I believe you can use no blur for Arma 2 as well. Alright, so as you can see, that's basically for this video. Before I end this video, I'm going to talk about what Dead Zone is. Dead Zone is a RP roleplay type of server. So basically what you do is you make a character and you just roleplay. That's basically it. Ironic. Anyways, basically this is the end for this video. You've seen all the tricks that I showed you and all that stuff. I'll put the link for the download for No Blur in the description, or I'll upload them to Mediafire or whatever, and then you guys can download it directly from there. It depends on if I can find the link or not. Anyways, that's the end for this video. See you guys next time.